So far, this is really easy to put together. So right here, I like this that you can open it up. So if you need more stability, depending on where you're at, so you can set it up to where it's a tripod like that. You just tighten this. So you loosen and tighten that, and then if you need it to be wider, you can just set it like that, and then you do the same thing. So that's pretty cool. So adjusting the height is simple. Just loosen this and adjust as you want. I'm going to make them both the same. I'll just make them all the way as high as they go and set the rest of this up. So I'm going to lock in this light, but before I do, see that little thing right there? That's a little gecko. They like to come in here and hang out with me. So I'm going to try not to scare him because I'm going to let him outside. And this just locks in here. You tighten it. And this right here adjusts so you can raise it up more. Right here, it adjusts so that way you can move your light. So, very simple. So your cord hookup to the light is right here. This is on the back side of it. So if you're looking for that, that's the front side, the light side. And right here is where you hook up your cord that goes into the wall. So I have this one. That's just as low as it goes. Of course, this can move. And then I have this one, and I set this one up as high as it can go. So the top of the light's probably 6.5 feet from the ground. And there's a bag, and each one has its own power cord that, let me adjust. So I'm adjusting it. And there's the other power cord. So this is very simple to set up. Seriously, one of the easiest things I've ever set up. I just stuck it right here, so I haven't messed with any placement and adjusting it yet. I just wanted to show you one that was set up as low as it can go, and then this one is as high as it can go. Hopefully this helps. And the setup was extremely easy. Extremely easy. All right, real quick, let me just give you a visual. I didn't mess with these. Haven't adjusted the angles or anything. They're just the same the way that they were. And I just want to just show you a person standing on the wall exactly the way that I had them. And of course, adjusting them, moving them around, you get your different, you figure out where your perfect lighting will be. Let me turn these off and show you what it looks like. Just my natural lighting in this particular room, which is horrible. Like every room here, every room in this place, the natural lighting is horrible. This is like better than what some of the other spots in this place are. So let me turn this one on. Let me turn this one on, and I'm just going to turn them on full blast. And you should get an idea of the difference. And adjusting them, I have them straight up right now. So just to show you what it looks like from natural lighting in the room to having these sitting next to me. And I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great day.